Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 8:45 a.m. Eastern Time on the 18th of March 2018. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is a dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that if the dollar was able to put in a lower high here, then it's likely that the dollar will continue moving to the downside. And if it's able to go below and close below this demand zone below, then it's likely to continue moving down to the bottom of the base. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the market did move to the downside and put in a lower high, making the odds most likely that the dollar will continue moving to the downside, at least to this demand zone below. So on Tuesday, the market did just that and moved deeper into this demand zone. On Wednesday, the market stabilized and started moving up from this demand zone. And on Thursday, the market actually did move up and out of this demand zone, making the odds most likely that we're going to go above this pivot over here. So on Friday, the market did just that, actually went above this pivot, but actually closed back down here. So what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? So based on this time frame, it's very similar to what we said last week. If we're able to go above and close above this supply zone above, then we're likely to continue moving to the supply zone above this over here. On the other hand, if we're able to go below and close below this demand zone, then it's likely we'll go back down to the bottom of this base. So let's take a look at the larger time frames. Now, if we take a look at the weekly chart, we can say very similar to what we said last week, but the odds are changing slightly. Now, if we're able to go above and close above this supply zone, then we're likely to continue moving to the upside. If on the other hand, we turn to the downside here, then when it's likely we're going to move back down to the bottom of the base. But let me tell you this, the odds are slightly greater that the market's going to break to the upside based on this time frame. Now, let's take a look at the monthly chart now. And as we said in previous weeks, we're currently moving up from a supply become demand zone. And based on this time frame at the moment, and if we also look at the CCI divergence here, it's most likely that this market's going to continue moving to the upside. So here we have the monthly and the weekly chart, the odds slightly greater that the market's going to continue moving, at least for now, to the upside. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to a webinar I'm taking part in this week, and also an ebook that you may not have yet downloaded. So let's take a look. First, the ebook. What I'll do is leave a link to both of these below this video, whether you're watching on my YouTube channel or on my blog. So this is an ebook. If you haven't yet downloaded it, this is the last time I'm going to mention it. This is Indicators That Make Dollars and Cents. I contributed to this ebook talking about the CCI. And on Thursday this week, I, along with another 5 traders, professional traders, will be doing a massive webinar where you can actually come and join, and I'll leave a link below this video again where you can actually sign up for that. This is taking place on Thursday. So I urge you to sign up to this event and to download the ebook. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.